everyone. Huh?
Yeah, come on, get under here.
Under there? Sounds good.
Ah, what? What are you doing? You should stop it in this way.
I barely know what I'm doing. You wouldn't even know about this if it wasn't for me. And now these guys, they all know. This was meant to be our thing. No, my thing. You're lucky I even showed you.
Well, think about it. You can teleport these heroes, switching that over, and not really have to change the answer.
Stay the same. Like excluding me, banishing me to each side, until I find some cool thing you can steal from me.
Down below, I said, look, it's just illusion. He only just to yourself. Also, come on, one. Don't use yourself.
The possibilities? We could have done that together, Dree. Just the two of us. That's why I showed you. It was supposed to be ours.
Why you didn't make this, okay? You found it, you got lucky, alright? Look, thank you for finding one. You don't even you all, but you can call me you better you trust. You got it wrong, so well.
Who's to say I don't find another cool thing? And you ruined that too? Huh?
See, are you okay?
Just get out of here.
One, you get out of here.
She might get hurt.
3, no, cut it out. Me too, gay boy.
Okay, look. That was an accident. I didn't